Take command of the road in the 2015 Dodge Journey. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include front bucket seats, one-touch window functionality, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.